Safe and effective ways to beat the flu naturally. Despite your best efforts, it can be challenging to prevent getting sick during cold and flu season. After all, the influenza virus does not distinguish between healthy and ill individuals, or between the young and the old. Additionally, since the virus is easily transmitted through airborne droplets created by coughing, sneezing, and even talking, we are all at risk. The flu season also lasts longer than you might expect. It peaks between December and February and lasts all the way through winter, and even into spring. Here are 8 safe and effective ways to beat the flu naturally. 1. Hydration. When you have the flu, it's especially crucial to drink plenty of fluids, including water. This holds true whether you have the respiratory flu or the stomach flu. Your throat, mouth, and nose stay moist with water. This aids in clearing your body of phlegm and mucus that has accumulated. Your body has a built-in capability to naturally remove pathogens from your system when you're hydrated. Dehydration slows down your recovery, making it more difficult for your immune system to suppress virus invasions. 2. Chicken soup. According to a research in the American Journal of Therapeutics, the substance carnosine contained in chicken soup can aid the body's immune system in fighting off the flu in its early stages. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, chicken soup lessens symptoms and the duration of upper respiratory tract infections. Soup can help you stay hydrated, reduce nasal congestion, and soothe sore throat and nasal membranes. 3. Gargle with salt water. Gargle with salt water if you have a sore throat. Gargling frequently may help minimize throat swelling and loosen mucus, which can help clear the throat of irritants like bacteria and allergies. To soothe a sore throat, combine half a teaspoon of salt with a cup of warm water. A warm water and salt rinse, often known as a salt water gargle, helps ease sore throat discomfort and clears away mucus. 4. Tea tree oil. Certain essential oil varieties aid in defending you against specific bacteria and viruses. According to one study, tea tree oil works to combat the flu virus by reducing or halting the virus's rate of replication. The study found that tea tree oil functions most effectively when applied within 2 hours of infection. Blend a few drops of tea tree oil into your lotion or add it to liquid hand soap when you wash your hands. 5. Sleep. When you are sick with the flu, it is crucial to rest and sleep more. Your immune system can actually be strengthened by sleeping. This supports your body's ability to combat the flu virus. To help you get back on your feet, abandon your regular schedule and give sleep top importance. 6. Increase your zinc. Your immune system needs the mineral zinc. Your body can produce white blood cells that fight infections thanks to this vitamin. Zinc reduces the symptoms of the flu and the common cold. In addition to aiding in the body's defense against the flu virus, zinc also inhibits its growth. In most cases, a balanced meal each day will provide enough zinc. Be sure to include red meat, shellfish, lentils, chickpeas, beans, nuts, seeds, dairy, and eggs in your diet. 7. Steamy shower. Long, warm showers help you feel better by moisturizing your throat and nasal passages and removing mucus from them. You could also simply put on the hot water, sit in the bathroom, and breathe in the steam for up to 10 minutes. 8. Drink herbal tea. There are many plants that naturally fight germs and viruses. Antioxidant properties are also present in some herbs. Your body's immune system is strengthened by drinking herbal tea. Your sinuses and throat will also both feel better after drinking a hot herbal beverage. With star anise and additional herbs like green or black tea, turmeric, fresh or dried ginger, raw garlic, and cloves, you can brew a herbal tea that fights the flu. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.